स्टार्ट करूं स्टार्ट
Yes.
Hello everyone, this is day 17 of brev trade. No, this is day 18 of brev trade.
Yes.
This is your host Red.
This is your host, Blue.
Let's start. Okay, as I told you in the previous stream, yesterday's stream was not done due to technical issues. Gold was going to be bullish, and as you can see through this range, it broke out in an extremely bullish manner, took out all of this slanting liquidity and till here and went up till here, I guess. Yes. And then got took liquidity. This is a liquidity candle and then close upwards here. This is due to high taking of profits. Everybody was in buy side because of the news and everything. So this candle right here is due to yesterday's candle is due to the heavy, selling because of taking profits. Everybody took profits right now. If you can see on the 4 hour, gold was extremely bullish, took every kind of liquidity right here. Price took around this gap of liquidity, the weekly open, this week's open. The extreme amount of pending orders here, it took that and then reversed a little, and right now it is in a pullback. In my opinion, we are still bullish on gold. It is just a little pullback. The major reason is because of
Yo, Red, your voice is not coming.
hello, 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 hello,
Yes, yes,
hello.
yes.
When did it start not to come? What did you last hear
Whe-
heard?
When you were checking the news,
Okay, I was asking you, can you check if these news are high importance or not?
oh, these are high impact.
News are of high impact.
Yes.
Okay, and can you check if Trump has posted anything on Truth Social today or yesterday or the day before?
But these new newses will come tomorrow. Red not today.
Yes,
It- okay.
but I'm asking. No, these news will come today, bro. 7th August, the first
Today's
Friday of the week. Today is 7th August.
on Forex Factory. It shows today 6th. What?
Oh, it is not according to your time frame.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see. This I get logged out. YTKY. Okay.
So, has Trump posted anything on Truth Social?
Wait. It's loading. Yo, nothing about the war. There's no news about the war. You're right.
Is there anything about, oh, how much I'm beneficial for US or
He's
not?
Yeah, he has talked about this. He's posting about the his supporters winning the Senate seats. The voting is going on right now in the US. That is tough. Yeah, he's posting about that, and he's posting AI images of himself
Yo, can
as
you
well.
check if no? Can you check when will Trump's reign end? When was he selected?
He was
You know,
selected in 2024.
okay, so he's got 2 years left, right?
Hmm.
Is it
Yes.
4 years or 2 years for them?
Next elections will be in 2028, I guess.
Okay, so he's going to be a president till 28. Okay. Well, right now, in my opinion, this all range is due to, people taking massive profits from the bull side. So this is only because of that, because as you can see, there was a high bullish thing, bullish gold. It went down. It has, if you can say, oh, it has take out this liquidity right now. It went down, took this liquidity. But when you are in, in such a massive move upwards, the only thing I guess is believable is price is, kind of taking back profits. People are selling a little bit to get profits because if it was extremely selling right here, it had started selling right here. This is a weekly open there are there were pending orders here, selling pending orders, which made price go downwards today. It made price fall down approx $200 from uh, 18 till 24. However, right now there were pending orders on this box right here, which made gold shoot up. This was also according to the news, because every news was decreasing the strength of, you know, uh, I guess it was decreasing the strength of DXY. Right now, what I think is the next thing is going to be decided by unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls. In my opinion, today is going to be, a little bit of ranging. Let's go to the DXY. This is the daily time frame of DXY. I was heavy bearish on DXY. I've told you many times on the stream that DXY is going to fall, and DXY did fall. Right now, it is consolidating on this zone right here that we marked. It is going to start ranging. It is not going to, according to my analysis, I don't think is so. This it is going to break around this level. It is going to keep consolidating today until the news that is going to be launched out, and gold is also going to keep ranging until I guess the news is going to come out at 5:30 p.m. according to my time. So yeah, Let me do the forward I've done. Okay, gold has started to fall heavily after this. Gold has also, take out the slanting highs liquidity. If you see there's a slanting high liquidity form, gold took it out, went till up here, took this liquidity grabber candle also, and then shot downwards. Maybe because of the impact of news. As you can see, I was talking about that with Blue that even though news had arrived, you could still not see, the effect of news correctly on the chart because the news candle was so little that it was just if you would not see it closely, you would just think, oh, it is just a normal candle. There was no news launched because it showed no momentum neither in the upside nor in the downside, which made me believe which made me believe that maybe there is a highway kind of manipulation going out. Price is going to fall for DXY, but it is still getting kept up stable due to some reasons. Because even though I guess it were 2 to 3 previous news that were being launched, the news still had no effect on DXY. If you could see, due to the previous news, there's a huge imbalance shot upwards and a huge imbalance shot downwards, which proves it's a news scandal. There was nothing of that sort. But right now, as you can see, there was a massive effect of the pending news.
Your voice is not coming, right? Yo, Red, your voice is not coming. Yo, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, yes, now I'm coming.
Okay, so price is going to consolidate on this zone until unless the news launches out. When these two news will launch out, then I guess we can see an upward or downwards move on gold. Right now, price is consolidating on this zone right here. So in my opinion, they could, maybe send out a signal or send out a news that is going to strengthen DXY right now. However, right now I'm still bearish on DXY. So I guess this is it for today. Let's go to the 15 time frame of index as well.
Okay.
Okay, yesterday I guess I was looking around and we got a setup right around here, and we got a set for this is for sell. I got a setup right around there, so I would have shorted this candle. However, this was not an A plus grade setup. I would have, if you ask me, I would have waited. I guess I've seen a setup right here. Yep. This was another short setup that I had seen, but this got stopped out, even though it took my w- stop loss. But the thing is, the reason I did not took this trade was because gold had still not reversed. It was heavily bullish at that moment. So in my opinion, that is why I not took the trade, even though I saw a perfect sell setup. And as you can see, I got stopped out, even though price reversed. But according to my strategy, at that moment, I got stopped out. But there is another, but the reason I did not took this trade was because of the trend. Trend was heavily bullish upwards. Until on this we saw it reverse, we could not have placed a short trade on such a bullish momentum. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. Taking a short on extremely bullish trend is like very risky.
Yes. As you can see, there was not anything another form. There was a buy side form right here. Let me check if another setup according to my strategy was formed. Yeah, there was another form right here. If I can see, oh, wait, one moment. Low was around zero point 0.7, high was around 0.37. Okay, we would not have been stopped out. I would have placed a short right here because of gold reversing into for a pullback. I would have placed a short right here. No, but this was not an A plus grade setup if you can see. So I'd have risked it heavily if you can see. I would have placed a short stop loss around here and target 1 is to 1 RR, 1 is to 2 RR. I would have just placed it around right here if you ask me. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. The charging started. Okay, yeah, the charging started. My laptop is getting its charging depleted so fast. Right now, in my opinion, as you can see, there was another. Hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
There was another buy side form right here. There was another sell side form right here. However, it stopped out. But the thing is, these both did not arrive in kill zone, so we did not take it. Right now, there was another buy side form right here, shot upwards. But now price is consolidating. If you want to take, shorts right here, you could take short, target this thing, took buy from there as you can see, because price moves like this. It is kind of consolidating right now. So it moves like this thing. So you could, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, short here. You can do kind of this thing. However, it is extremely risky because you still do not know when price is going to break out. So I guess this is it for today. Yo, Blue, am I missing something?
No.
Okay, then I guess we have covered everything for today. We'll meet you in the next stream. Till then, everyone, bye.
Bye.